FC is the brain, ESC is the heart. Today, let's check out some popular stacks and controllers for different builds. First up is this T-Hobby combo. The F55A Pro 2 4-in-1 ESC delivers up to 55A continuous current with 3.6S support, giving freestyle pilots reliable power for aggressive flights. Paired with the T-Hobby F7 flight controller, you get a powerful setup with a smart control system behind it. Power and precision working together. A solid choice for pilots building a reliable freestyle machine. Too bad this stack's already sold out. So let's speed run the basics real quick. Think of your drone like a human body. The flight controller is the brain. It reads your stick movements, sensors, and decides how the drone should move. The ESC is the muscle. It takes commands from the flight controller and controls the motors, telling them how fast to spin. So remember, FC thinks, ESC moves. Together, they are the heart of every FPV drone build. Next is the Meps Neon Core F40560A stack, a complete stack solution combining the FC and ESC together. With an F405 flight controller and 60A 4-in-1 ESC, it provides a cleaner and easier installation experience. For pilots who want a simple build without sacrificing performance, this kind of integrated solution makes things much easier. Less time fixing wires, more time flying. Not every drone needs a full-size setup. For compact builds, the T-Hobby Mini F7 brings F7 level performance into a smaller design. Perfect for pilots who care about saving space while keeping reliable. Control. Small frame, no problem. Your FC can still be powerful. Beep, sorry to say, these two aren't in our store either. But hey, no worries, cue the pretty footage, because here comes the FPV knowledge. Buying your first FPV flight stack? Don't just pick the one with the highest amps. The right stack depends on your drone. First, match your stack size with your build. For tiny whoops and small drones, you need a lightweight AIO board. For 3-inch and 5-inch freestyle drones, a separate FC plus ESC stack is more common. Next, check the ESC current rating. Your ESC amp rating should be higher than your motor's maximum current draw. For example, a 5-inch freestyle build usually uses around a 45A to 60A ESC, depending on the motor and battery setup. Also check compatibility. Does the mounting size fit your frame? Does it support your battery voltage? Does it have the right processor and features you need? Remember, the best flight stack isn't the most powerful one. It's the one that matches your build. Now let's look at one of the popular choices among freestyle pilots. The Flywoo Goku F722 Pro V255A stack. Featuring an F722 processor, ICM 42688 gyro, 16 megabytes black box, 6 UART ports, and a 55A ESC with up to 128K PWM support. It's built for pilots who want strong performance and more flexibility. A great example of why choosing the right stack matters. Already have your flight controller? Then an individual ESC might be the better choice. The Flywoo G45M provides 45A output, 32-bit processing, and supports 2.6S LiPo batteries. For larger and more powerful builds, higher voltage setups open new possibilities. The T-Hobby F55A Pro supports 6.8S configurations, giving bigger freestyle and cinematic drones more power options. When your build gets bigger, your electronics need to grow with it. T-Hobby Mini Racer F7. I stared at this one for a while. They crammed an STM32F722 MPU 6000 gyro, 16 megabytes black box, USB-C, and 3.6S wide input into a 20x20 footprint, plus a pit switch for VTX. F7 processing in a 3-inch toothpick means you get 5-inch class PID loop speed in a 90-gram airframe. A real F7, not a castrated one for Cinewhoop and toothpick builds. This one integrates a 6-pin DJI VTX port, plug and play. That's a design philosophy, not just a header. The PCB routing, power filtering, signal integrity are all relayed out to keep O3 video clean. No snow, no interference. Built-in VTX switch, change VTX power mid-flight racers who've used it never go back.